Today, in this lesson, you're going to learn exactly how English speakers group their words together naturally. By the end of this lesson, you're going to know what are thought groups, how to identify them, and where to pause naturally in your speech. So let's start with what you need to know first. What exactly is a thought group? A thought group is a small collection of words that share one clear message or idea. I want you to think of it as a small package of meaning that helps listeners understand your message. Let me show you what I mean. I want you to take this example sentence. The old woman who lives next door is an actress from Italy. Here's how English speakers will naturally break this sentence up into thought groups or small packages of meaning. The old woman who lives next door is an actress from Italy. Each group gives us one clear piece of information in that sentence.